Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for the comment section. Really helps out the channel. Also, make sure to go down in the description, sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign-up bonuses. And also, finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well. Very, very good stuff. It's been allowing me to average into these markets as we have been basically having an absolutely torrid time for Polygon over the past few months. As you can see, the past 6 months is basically a drop all the way from 128 down to around 30 cents. Crazy, crazy drop. But as we can see, that breakout that I was talking about in yesterday's video, go and watch it right now if you don't believe me, has come to fruition pretty much perfectly. You can see Polygon in this really massive downtrend. Very much stuck under this resistance. We finally closed outside resistance, perfectly ran up to our 0.23 Fibonacci, as I said in my yesterday's video. If we do close outside of this, we will be anticipating a run up to this level pretty much instantaneously. And as I said in my previous video as well, we're now looking like we could be forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern like this. I'd be predicting a little bit of retracement now for Polygon back into this area here potentially. Maybe only as low as this area, but I do think this inverse head and shoulders pattern, as you can see, is definitely going to be coming to fruition soon. Unless we just see Polygon completely rip through resistance and just go up to the next level, in which case we could be looking at an even bigger head and shoulders pattern like this basically. I do think we are going to see reversals all across the market for altcoins. I've been saying it for a while. Everything's way too oversold. Everything's looking really, really ridiculously overextended to the downside, and it's probably due for a pullback, especially considering we are probably heading into a bull market pretty soon for Bitcoin, and everything is going to be on a tear. And you can see here for Polygon, obviously we've had this big move to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulses. But you can see we're starting to do something like this, like with most altcoins, where the impulses to the downside are getting smaller and smaller. And you can see we're getting more parabolic in this move to the downside. Eventually we were going to see a break of that structure change. You can see here Polygon here today. Very, very interesting stuff indeed. Basically just breaking out of that resistance. That's a lovely massive green candle. This is the biggest green candle that I've seen for Polygon since we were like, where are we, like all the way back here somewhere, maybe even further than that, back here when we were on the way up. So nice to see a good amount of volume coming in for Polygon at the lows. Obviously a really, really nice entry point down here at the range low. As you would expect, we would bounce at the range low of the bear market. You can see we've been in a range like this between the 0.23 and the 0.618 for a while. But really this was the true low, wasn't it, that we came and touched. And now you can see we've come up and ripped through that resistance. So interesting to see what will happen next. Overall, the altcoin market in general looking like it's about to make a nice move to the upside and get some relief. Altcoins are breaking out all over the place from their downtrends, and the altcoin market in general looking like it's about to coil up and head to the upside. So let's see what we can do.